I bought myself a little mini projector, something that will help me hopefully to watch movies and whatever I want when I'm out and about. This seems to be actually quite a little stunning device. It takes TF cards, it's got a 4-core processor, so it works with an Android system. And I was thinking we can open it together, have a look at the dimension and all the specification, and then potentially run a few tests to play a couple of movies. So let's get to it. Okay, as you can see straight away, the projector is absolutely tiny. So this is the projector itself. There you go. I mean, as you can see, it stays in the palm of my hands. I also, just to give you a bit of a reference, I brought with me a couple of notes. As you can see, if you put it on a 20-pound note, couldn't be any smaller. There is a fiver. And I also have a little tape, so I can give you some information with regards of the specific dimension in centimeters, which is about 7 by 7, and with a depth that is about 4 centimeters or thereabout. So yeah, it couldn't be smaller. On the projector itself, we have all the controls, of course. Ventilation, because I assume there is a fan or something to release the heat. There is the possibility to connect it to a tripod. I think one is already included. We will have a look about it. This, I assume, is for the focusing of the lens. Yes, I mean, you can see the lens moving while I'm turning this. And at the back, we have the connector, the USB connector, headphones or a speaker, which is probably something that I will attach to make it a bit louder, and a TF card from which we can put movies, footages and everything else on it. And as I said, this also comes with a 4-core processor. I think, if I remember correctly, it's 1 gig of ROM as well. So it should be absolutely plenty to play movies and everything else. Kind of opening the packaging, we can get rid of all of that. I assume everything else is in this little box, so let's go and have a look. There we go. Okay, so we have a set of instructions, which, okay, they seem pretty detailed, and we will go through all of those together. Remote control, you know, standard, pretty basic one, but it seems absolutely fine. Cables, USB. This is actually an adapter or an extension cable, but it's an adapter for the mini USB to a full USB, so we can use pen drives to watch movies. Batteries are already included for the machine. As far as I know, with the batteries, it should last for about 3.5 hours on batteries. Actually, sorry, the batteries are definitely for the remote control. This has got internal batteries charged through the USB power adapter. And as I said, the battery should last for about 3.5 hours. We will check on that. And a mini tripod, which it should make it absolutely brilliant for all those moments where we want to put it on a pedestal and then watch movies through it. So I'm going to set it up, and then we're going to put it the right way up, and then we're going to potentially watch a movie on a wall or something like that and see the quality of it. Stay with me. I'm actually really hyped up. This is even better than I expected. I'll turn it on in front of you, so once you turn it on you see the light changing color and everything else, and then everything will start showing onto the wall. All the controls are done through the remote control. It works even better. And just to give you a quick indication while it's booting up, I put a tape just on the side of the visual area. It's about 65 centimeters. As you can see from my arm, it's quite a wide surface. Of course, okay, a bit of movement there while I was moving it. Of course, the further you go, you just need to adjust it. But as you can see, I can actually move really far away. This is probably as big as, I don't know, a 70 inches television, I would say. And just to give you a quick indication, I'll keep it a bit closer for the moment, just to show you the quality of footage, sound and everything else. It is even better than I ever expected. The quality is brilliant. I put a couple of movies onto this already, a sound recording and a trailer. As you can see, everything is done through the remote control. And just to give you a quick indication of the quality of footage, sorry, let me just calibrate it slightly, there you go. This is a trailer for the Infinity War, the Avengers. Well, we're resuming from where it was anyway. I mean,
half of humanity will still exist.
I'll move it back in the meantime, guys, and I'll adjust it to show you how amazing this is.
As all things should be. I hope they remember you.
Also, just to give you an indication of the sound, at the moment I think we were at something like 6 or 7, and I'm actually shouting to talk to you. The sound, we are at the maximum now, the sound is actually already very, very loud, very good, and it's actually very well balanced for the size of the machine. I've also put a music video on it, same again, just to test the sound, and it's pretty good. Also guys, as I said before, this has got a full Android system inside. It's got a 4-core processor, and as you can see, it works exactly the same as any mobile phone device. I haven't set it through the Wi-Fi setting, but as you can see, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and everything else. You can also select the way that you want to put the projector. So if you are installing it, for example, onto the ceiling, there you go. You can have it upside down, you can have it in every location that you want to use. And again, once you put it online, then you can fully use YouTube, for example, or Google Play. Again, I haven't yet put my information in the Wi-Fi code and everything else, but otherwise you will go onto Google Play and then you can download whatever you want. Or you can do AirPlay or Miracast. So both if you have an iPhone or if you have an Android device, you can actually totally copy whatever you got on your screen and put it onto the footage there. So if I'm out and about, if I want to just play a game on my phone but watch it on a bigger screen, or watch a movie that I got on my phone and then put it there, or pictures, for example, if I have some pictures that I want to show to my family, I can just directly project the pictures from the phone onto the machine and then onto the screen. And as I said, at the moment the footage that I played are done through a micro SD card, but it works exactly the same way if you have it on a pen drive. You just attach it with the adapter that you have provided with the machine. You just attach the adapter. I don't know what to say, guys. For £200, this is absolutely stunning. And as you can see from the quality of the footage and the versatility that you have, it's so much better than any other projector that I've seen anywhere close to this range. So very much thumbs up from me, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you, guys.